In the fall, blackberries are everywhere, at least if you live in Stardew Valley. You can use them to make Blackberry Cobbler, just like in the game, which is one of the quintessential fall desserts. And best of all, it's quick and easy. First, put some sugar in a bowl. Then, zest in half a lemon. Mix up the sugar with your fingers so it activates all those tasty oils. Set it aside while we make a batter. In a bowl goes flour, baking soda, and a good pinch of salt. You'll also need about half a can of sweetened condensed milk. You can eyeball it. Fair warning, this stuff is slow, kind of like walking around before you get a horse. Now for one of my favorite secret ingredients, buttermilk. You can use regular milk here, but I think buttermilk makes all baked goods taste amazing. Oh, and some butter. Melted. Nice. Whisk to combine, and you should have a nice thick batter. It's comparable to pound cake batter, if that makes any sense. Now you can make a standard sized cobbler using any old cake pan, but I'm going to break out these little bad boys. Grease up whatever pan you're going to use, then dollop in the batter. Don't overfill it, but do spread it into an even layer. Now I'm using blackberries, but honestly any fruit works, except for maybe durian. I fit as many berries on top here as I can. Top it with that special lemon sugar we made, and don't be shy with it. It's going to add an extra aromatic edge and even a little bit of texture. Now the cool thing about this one is, once you've assembled the cobbler, you can keep it in the fridge and bake it off anytime within the next couple of days. Don't sugar it until you're ready to bake it though, in a 350 degree oven for 30 to 35 minutes. It should look like this. Gorgeous, but it's inedible, at least right out of the oven. Though I make mine at night so I can have it for breakfast. I scoop it onto a plate, then dollop with a small scoop of vanilla iced creams. Check your watch there, buddy, it's cobblerin' time. And Stardew Valley Blackberry Cobbler is yummy! If you enjoyed that, make sure to like and subscribe because I'm fixing to do more Stardew Valley recipes. And check out this playlist of the ones I've already done. Thanks for watching. Bye!